What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you the answers for Contradiction, the weight of knowledge in Crimson Desert. So, obviously, you've probably run around and spoken to everyone. The most difficult one was when you had to drop down and go through this little secret passage from the underground bit here. But anyways, if you're getting stuck here, there's the answer for that. Eventually, when you come back to speak to the Institute Steward, here are the answers for all of the questions.
Amaris says you've been speaking with the library staff. My urgent work is done, so tell me what you've learned. Share your findings with me. Let's start with the treasurer. What did he say?
We've got two options. The first one would be they're out of town for that day. In my case, it's you.
His claim is that he knew nothing of it. Well, that's what anyone would say.
What of Grunil?
Then, same thing here. They were acting as suspicious. In my case, you.
Yes. His work with Tahoe and an outsider entering the Institute. He says he noticed nothing.
This one you need to pick while working for research with Grunil, scolded by the librarian. In my case, it's the second option, F.
Perhaps they did something worthy of a telling off. How about Almenzo, the guard?
Then it seems the library has records of everyone's visit except Raphael's. In my case, F, the second one.
Suspicious of them. There was a new librarian who joined us recently. Javier, that's the one. And what did he tell you?
And for the final one, they insist they couldn't have stolen it, so the first option, you, and that's that.
Let's go over this with care. I can't absolve any of them just yet. Perhaps they worked with an accomplice or altered the evidence. Yet one thing continues to trouble me. Someone's account included details of the book never shared openly. Detain that person immediately.
Once we're done yapping here, we'll move across to bring in the culprit and of course finish off this quest, which should be super simple to do. But yeah, anyways, that's that. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.